Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install iOS theme on your Poco X6 Pro. So let's start it by going to the Play Store. We're going to go to the search and tap on iOS launcher. And here you can choose whatever you like. You can choose even paid ones or you can go to free ones as me. So I tapped on this one, Apps Gens, Launcher OS, install and open. Just accept. We're gonna have a lot of ads. You can buy a premium version if you'd like to, but I will stick to a free one. And now we're gonna choose language, English. Tap on the white arrow and tap on continue. And here just next, get started. Here you can select the wallpaper and tap continue. Just tap on it and tap continue, but I'm gonna skip it. And here you can choose a premium version or also continue with the free version. And now just tap on your screen and accept to set the theme as your default. And tap on it. And here we are. So, and also if you would like to add dynamic island or widgets, you can go back to the app and find and install their desired ones. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.